Welcome to Cast Iron Wednesday, the November challenge, which is one skillet or one pan meals. In fact, we'll do one pot as long as it's cast iron. And today we're going to do chicken. And even though it's one pan, I got two because I got two chickens, and I'm going to cook two. So here's our veg of the day. Some potatoes, an onion, and some carrots. So the carrots are going to be a bit of a crossover because they're practice for our ferro rod. So when you do your ferro rod, it's peel the carrot and you stir it a little bit. So anyways, here's an example. Peel the carrot. Anyways, we'll come back after everything's ready and we're ready to throw stuff in the pans and in the oven. Okay, there's all our veg cut up. We didn't lose any fingers. And we're going to shake these up in a bag with some olive oil and spread them out in our pans. So we'll come back. Okay, we got our two pans with vegetables ready. And we have two chickens to go in those pans. So we're going to clean these off. Clean these up or whatever. Prep them. And as soon as I can find what I'm looking for, which is right here, we're going to give them a little dust of Montreal chicken spice, and Timmy will go away for a minute, and we'll show them to you in the pan. And there's our two chickens and vegetables and stuff in our cast iron pans ready to go in the oven. So we're going to throw them in at 325. It's just 3 o'clock now. That gives us 2.5 hours till supper, so they should be cooked. They're probably done early, but anyways, we'll be back when we pull them out of the oven. Okay, Timmy's watching from the safety of his cage, top of his cage, and we're gonna pull this stuff out, these chickens out of the oven. Number one. And here's number two. So we're just going to tint these with tin foil and wait for a bit. And here's our plating. I didn't make any cranberry sauce. The dressing or stuffing was extra, not off the one skillet meal, but the chicken turned out nice. The white meat was very moist, and the vegetables are nice and soft and all covered with schmaltz and good chicken fat. And two of my taste testers have gone to see somebody else because they had got theirs first, so we only have the white meat thief here to worry about. So now we'll get do the DIY dark matter taste test. Anyways, it's been a long day for me anyways, so just gonna have a bite of chicken. Timmy the scavenger already come and got some. And our carrots. bit of roasted onion. And some roasted potato roasted in the chicken juices. Anyways, for one skillet meal or one frying pan meal or one pot meal, it turned out very well. So, anyways, Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Date Negateers, and she keeps a playlist. And also check out the YouTube channel, Cast Iron Wednesday. Steve takes care of that one, and please make us a video or of whatever you want to cook, or the challenge, monthly challenge. We don't really care, or just watch and comment, and that'll make us all happy. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.